Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen, where we celebrate the joy of good food and simple ingredients. I'm so glad you're here, because today, we're about to embark on a delicious journey together. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute kitchen favorites, the humble chickpea. It might look unassuming, but trust me, this little legume is a true superstar in the world of cooking. These little beauties, also called garbanzo beans, are creamy, nutty, and incredibly versatile. They have a subtle flavor that pairs beautifully with so many ingredients, making them a go-to for cooks all around the globe. From bustling Moroccan markets to charming Italian villages, chickpeas are a global superstar. They've been a staple in kitchens for thousands of years, loved by people from every corner of the world. Chickpeas have a magical way of making food better, simple as that. Whether they're the star of the show or playing a supporting role, they add heartiness, texture, and a gentle earthiness to any dish. Imagine hummus, tagines, or curries without them, just not the same. Chickpeas are the backbone of so many classic recipes, bringing comfort and nourishment to tables everywhere. And it doesn't stop there. Think about falafel, hearty soups, or even chickpea flour for gluten-free baking. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're reaching for dried or tinned, chickpeas are a must-have staple for quick, delicious meals. They're affordable, easy to store, and ready to transform your cooking at a moment's notice. Mash them, roast them, stew them, or blend them into a silky dip. They're a blank canvas for flavor. You can get creative and make them your own, no matter what you're craving. Add spice, lemon, or olive oil, and they soak it all up. Chickpeas love bold flavors, and they're perfect for experimenting with new seasonings and dressings. Chickpeas open up a world of tasty possibilities, no matter your cooking skills. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, there's always a new way to enjoy them. And let's not forget, they're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a brilliant choice for a healthy lifestyle. They're good for your heart, your gut, and your taste buds. Chickpeas are also a fantastic way to bring people together. Cooking with them is fun, and sharing a chickpea dish is always a crowd pleaser. So let's explore why these little powerhouses are so good for you, and how easy it is to get more of them into your life. Ready? Let's unlock the power of the chickpea and make something truly special together. Let's take a closer look inside the humble chickpea and discover why these little beauties have been cherished for centuries across the world. Chickpeas might look simple, but they're packed with a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits that make them a true superfood. So what exactly makes chickpeas so special? Let's break it down and see what's hiding beneath that smooth golden skin. First up, protein. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them a staple for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to cut back on meat. This protein helps build and repair muscles, keeps you feeling satisfied, and supports a healthy metabolism. Whether you're an athlete or just want to stay strong, chickpeas have your back. Next, let's talk about fiber. Chickpeas are loaded with it. Fiber is essential for a happy digestive system, helping to keep things moving and supporting gut health. It also helps you feel full for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. That means fewer snack attacks, more steady energy throughout the day, and a happier, healthier you. Plus, fiber can help balance blood sugar levels, making chickpeas a smart choice for anyone watching their energy or managing cravings. But that's not all. Chickpeas are bursting with essential vitamins and minerals. They're rich in folate, which is vital for healthy blood and cell growth, and iron, which helps transport oxygen around your body and keeps your energy levels up. You'll also find manganese and phosphorus, two minerals that play a key role in building strong bones and supporting your body's natural processes. These nutrients work together to keep your body functioning at its best. In fact, eating chickpeas is a bit like taking a natural multivitamin with every bite. They deliver a wide range of nutrients in their most natural, delicious form, no pills required. So the next time you're enjoying creamy hummus, a hearty chickpea stew, or a fresh salad sprinkled with these golden gems, remember, you're not just eating something tasty. You're fueling your body with real, honest goodness. Protein for strength, fiber for gut health, and a whole host of vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling your best day after day. Chickpeas fit perfectly into a balanced diet, supporting your energy, your mood, and your overall well-being. It's truly amazing how much power and nutrition is packed into something so small and unassuming. Chickpeas prove that you don't need fancy ingredients to eat well, just real food, grown from the earth. That's the magic of real food, simple, honest, and nourishing. Chickpeas are a perfect example of how nature provides everything we need to thrive. So next time you see a bowl of chickpeas, remember, they're not just small and mighty, they're beautiful too. Honest, nutritious, and here to make you feel great. Chickpeas, small but mighty, beautiful. Let's take a moment to talk about your heart, one of the most important organs in your body, working tirelessly every single day to keep you alive and thriving. It deserves a little extra care, don't you think? That's where chickpeas come in. These humble little legumes are a real friend to your heart, and they're so easy to add to your daily meals. Chickpeas are packed with fiber, which acts like a gentle broom inside your body, helping to soak up excess cholesterol and sweep it out, keeping your arteries clear and healthy. This means your blood can flow more freely, reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Chickpeas are also a great source of potassium. Potassium is essential for balancing out the effects of salt in your diet, which helps manage your blood pressure and keeps your heart beating at a steady, healthy rhythm. Adding just a scoop of chickpeas to your salad, stew, or even a wrap is a simple, delicious way to show your heart some love. It's a small change that can make a big difference over time. Chickpeas are naturally low in saturated fat, which is the kind of fat that can clog your arteries and put extra strain on your heart. Swapping out red meat for chickpeas in your meals is a smart, heart-healthy move. You can even get creative. Try chickpea falafel, chickpea pasta, or roasted chickpeas as a crunchy snack. Each option gives you all the benefits without the extra unhealthy fats. And don't worry about missing out on protein. Chickpeas are loaded with plant-based protein, so you still get that satisfying, nourishing hit, but in a way that's much kinder to your heart. Plus, exploring chickpea recipes opens up a whole new world of flavors. From Mediterranean salads to spicy curries, there's always something new and exciting to try. Looking after your heart can be as easy as dipping some pita into creamy hummus or tossing chickpeas into a warming curry. These small, tasty choices add up to big benefits. Every time you enjoy chickpeas, you're giving your heart a boost of fiber, potassium, and lean protein, all the things it needs to stay strong and healthy. You're helping to manage cholesterol, keep your blood pressure in check, and cut out those unhealthy fats that can sneak into your diet. It's all about making smart, simple choices for real results. So go ahead, add a little more chickpea goodness to your plate. Your heart will thank you, I promise. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Let's talk about feeling full and managing your weight. Chickpeas are your secret weapon. That combo of protein and fiber keeps you satisfied for hours, so you're less likely to reach for snacks. It's not about dieting, it's about eating smarter. Chickpeas help you eat fewer calories naturally, without feeling deprived. They also have a low glycemic index, releasing energy slowly and keeping your blood sugar steady. That means fewer cravings and more consistent energy. Add chickpeas to your meals for a simple, delicious way to support your goals. They fill you up, stabilize blood sugar, and pack in nutrients. Whether roasted for a snack or stirred into soup, they help you feel fantastic. Real food, real results. Let's get real about gut health. Chickpeas are a gut's best friend. They're loaded with 2 types of fiber-soluble, which feeds your good gut bacteria, and insoluble, which keeps things moving. Soluble fiber acts as food for your gut's good bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and helps you stay regular. That means less sluggishness and more comfort. A tin of chickpeas does double duty, supporting your gut bacteria and your regularity. Want to feel lighter and more energetic? Make chickpeas a regular part of your diet. They're a simple, natural way to boost fiber and support digestion. A happy gut means a happier you. Better mood, more energy, and improved health. So, toss chickpeas into your next meal. Your gut will thank you. Bosh. Breakfast getting boring? Time to shake it up with chickpeas. Try a chickpea scramble. Just mash, season, and sauté for a protein-packed start. Or blend a handful into your morning smoothie for extra creaminess and fiber. Chickpea flour pancakes are another winner. Just mix with water and spices, cook, and top with your favorites. These ideas are quick, filling, and keep you energized all morning. Be brave. Chickpeas for breakfast might just become your new go-to. Give it a try and start your day strong. You'll never look at breakfast the same way again. Lunchtime sorted. Chickpeas are your new best mate. Whip up a vibrant chickpea salad with crunchy veg, fresh herbs, and a zesty lemon dressing. It's colorful, filling, and keeps you going all afternoon. For snacks, roasted chickpeas are a game changer. Just toss with oil and spices, roast until crispy. Or make your own hummus chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon, olive oil, blend until smooth. Serve with pita, carrot sticks, or cucumber for the ultimate healthy snack. Chickpeas make lunch and snacks easy, tasty, and nutritious. No more boring lunches or unhealthy snacks. Just real food, real flavor. Quick to make, easy to love. Chickpeas lunchtime legends. Give them a go. After a long day, you want dinner fast. Chickpeas to the rescue. Make a speedy chickpea curry, sauté onion and garlic. Add curry powder, tomatoes, coconut milk, and chickpeas. Done in 20 minutes. Or bulk out stews and casseroles. Chickpeas soak up all the flavors and add creaminess and protein. They work brilliantly with root veg and herbs. Mash them for veggie burgers or meatballs. Just add breadcrumbs, onion, garlic, and spices. Then shape and cook. Serve burgers in a bun or meatballs with tomato sauce and pasta. Chickpeas make dinner hearty, healthy, and budget-friendly. No fuss, just flavor. Dinner sorted in a flash. Keep a tin in your cupboard and you're always ready. Chickpeas, the ultimate dinner hack. Easy peasy. There you have it, the humble chickpea, a true kitchen superstar. Packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, they're good for your heart, gut, and waistline. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Chickpeas prove it. We've covered breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. All easy, all delicious. Whether tinned or dried, chickpeas are ready to transform your meals. So, next time you shop, grab a tin or a bag and get creative. Try hummus, toss them in a stew, or whip up a curry. Once you start, you'll be hooked. Small changes, big difference. Happy cooking.